Wood connecting refers to the process of joining two or more pieces of wood together to create a large, more complex structure. There are various ways to connect wood, ranging from simple nails and screws to more sophisticated joints like dovetail joints and mortise and tenon joints. One of the most basic ways to connect wood is to use nails or screws. This method involves driving a nail or screw through one piece of wood and into another, securing the two pieces together. Nails and screws are easy to use and are ideal for connecting pieces of wood that will not be subjected to significant stress or weight. For more demanding applications, woodworkers can use glue to connect pieces of wood. Glue creates a strong bond between the pieces of wood, making it ideal for situations where the joint will be under significant stress or load. There are many types of glue that can be used for wood connecting, including PVA glue, epoxy, and polyurethane glue. Another popular method of wood connecting is to use dowels. Dowels are small cylindrical pieces of wood that are inserted into holes drilled into the pieces of wood that need to be joined. Once the dowels are in place, they are glued to the wood to create a strong joint. Dowels are commonly used in furniture making and cabinetry. Biscuit joints are another type of wood connecting that involves using a thin, oval-shaped piece of wood known as a biscuit to join two pieces of wood together. Biscuits are inserted into slots that are cut into the wood, and then glue is used to bond the biscuit to the wood. This creates a strong, secure joint that is ideal for making large structures like tabletops and bookcases. For more complex wood connecting needs, woodworkers can use dovetail joints or mortise and tenon joints. Dovetail joints involve cutting a series of interlocking teeth into the pieces of wood that need to be joined, creating a strong, secure joint that is ideal for making drawers and cabinets. Mortise and tenon joints involve cutting a rectangular hole, known as a mortise, into one piece of wood and a matching protrusion, known as a tenon, into the other piece of wood. The tenon is then inserted into the mortise and glued in place, creating a strong, secure joint that is ideal for making furniture. In conclusion, wood connecting is a crucial aspect of woodworking that involves joining two or more pieces of wood together to create a large, more complex structure. There are various ways to connect wood, ranging from simple nails and screws to more sophisticated joints like dovetail joints and mortise and tenon joints. The choice of wood connecting method will depend on the specific needs of the project, including the amount of stress or load that the joint will need to bear. Thanks for watching. Until next time.